There you go. 749 ECU. Harshly built. Gotta finish this up today. Trying to go from the manual. Wiring harness from about 3 different bikes. And lacking the heat shield. Should be able to get the majority of the work done without. This is for the 749 race bike. Cut shop. And hopefully we can get what we need done. So let's take a look and see what we can do here. Get that out of there. I'd like to move this wire over to the other side so there's less strain on it. It looks like it's sort of just tied to the wrong part of the harness. Yeah, it's looped around a lot. And I should be able to find where it goes. Looks like it goes off to this, I believe this is a connection to the fan. Actually, looks like a fan connector to me. 2-wire. Let's move it through here. Let's take a look at that. There's part of the problem. Seems to be these wires look like they're soldered together just around these ones. Oh yeah, there we go. That's starting to look a little bit better. How would I go about getting that around? Kind of tempted to just cut it and resolder it, because that's sort of looped around the wrong one. Oh, you know what though? I'll just take that off. The screw back on the input of the starter relay. I got an extra starter relay. This one's not in the world's best shape. I might end up switching it out for a different relay. No. But we will take a look. That's the input of the starter relay. Just the ground input. No, it's a 12-volt input. So if we take this, and we can do that. Get kind of closer here. Let's take a look at that. I'm sitting here wondering, how did this get so mixed up? It's because I did it. Well, I think I did it. I had started this before I had the foresight to video any of it. Could have saved myself an awful lot of headache. There we go. That's the ticket. So, move that back to there, that to there. Go grab some zip ties. Zip ties. Which the doctor ordered. Alright, so trying to keep in consideration for starter solenoid will be going there. That unit goes there. Gotta leave room for the heat shield and other necessities. That's all the wires that go through there. That remains outside of this loom. Gently tug it down. That's a heck of a lot cleaner. Okay, so this one goes. See, this is why we put it through just gently. And what I like doing on the battery side, so these don't get lost, but I don't want to hook a battery up to them. Just going to gently go around here and give it a partial zip. That way we can still hook up our battery. In this case is a spare lithium ion that was used on the Ninja 250. Yeah, I'll put a conventional battery back onto that one once this is all finished. We can go back onto the input shaft here. Washer. Looks like we lost the nut. Torqued. And that fits down here like a glove. Perfect. Let's take a look at these guys. Okay. So we got that. Not sure where we can put that connector, but put that down there by the ECU. ECU is going to have to come off as well. Output to the engine, or input from the engine. It appears it goes something like that. It's broken. I'm going to check the part pins. Hopefully, there you go. This is the same. How does this come off? A little tab. Let's get a screwdriver. This ought to do the trick. So, little thing up here. There we go. This should slide on. Oh, I see. A little bit broken. Not broken enough to worry about though. So that clips on. Both sides clip on. Let's just feather the clip out. Perfect. Perfect. There we go. And that will just sit down there. Won't have that hanging around anymore. Roll the loom back. Okie dokie. Beautiful. So not exactly factory, but should do the trick. Okay, so this going through here. Tie it down. That essentially. Let's sort of tie that down with this. Seems to be appropriate. And then should be all that goes on there. And let's get all of that on the outside. Zip ties make the world go round. Side cutters. This goes like that. This should be going here then. See if we can't bundle these around here. Okay. Battery, thermostat, injector. Don't think this is the diagnostics port, but it may be. Keep that open. This is a fan. This is definitely not the diagnostics part, but I don't know what it is. Battery ground. So that should be that pretty well assembled. Now we need to wait for the heat shield to finish this project. That's not a good amount. Nope.